Okay, hello. I'm just coming on to do a review on the Remarkable 2. Some of you may know that I love journaling, I love writing, and it's been a part of my work as an author of Exalter and as a life coach and esthetician. I love to just keep my thoughts, keep my golden nuggets, and always writing down. That's kind of where I channel and download, so I love writing. Now, I'm really looking at how I can increase my productivity and also have all of my notes in one place, just in case I forget a notebook. It makes me feel like, oh no, one of my thoughts is over there running around and I don't know where it is. So this is a cool project for me, and I got this for my birthday this year. I'm just gonna be able to unbox it now and see how it is. So join me and we're gonna unbox it, check it out, and also I'll do a second review in a couple weeks and tell you how it's going, okay? All right, here we go. So let's see, we can kind of just take it from here. I'll do it this way so you can kind of see as we're going. I decided to do this with a pen. Great. It'll work. So one thing, I don't recommend opening it with a pen or a scissors. There is an easier way. The tabs on the side, you actually just have to rip them once you take off the plastic. So as you see, I'm going in here and I'm using, again, the pen and I'll grab a scissors, but recommend once you take off the plastic, there's some different things to just rip off. The little paper, it has little dots that you can use the lining to rip and then open, because I actually scratched my Remarkable just a little bit on the top leather because I was using the scissors. So I would recommend not using a scissors and going ahead and using just what is already there on the tab, okay? I'm going to fast forward this part. The scissors. I had to grab a scissors so I don't rip this whole thing. I think it's right here. There we go. All right, let's see. Oh no, it's still ripping, but yeah, there we go. All right. Ooh. So like I mentioned, the packaging is really nice. Anything else in there? Okay. Safe place for your thoughts. Let's see what this is. This is the premium leather black. Also, the package that I got was a combo with the Remarkable 2, the Marker Plus, the book portfolio, and the Connect plan. All right. So let's go in here. This looks like the book portfolio. So you have to rip these in order to get it out. There we go. Ooh, okay. So it's already looking like one of my journals, which is fun. It's pretty soft, just like these journal packages. All right, so this looks like the portfolio, just to kind of keep it in. All right. Cool. There's the Marker Plus. And this looks like the Connect plan. I'm gonna use that later. Here. Let's be that spot. So I recommend a letter opener because that probably will be a lot nicer to open it. Here we go. Yay, this is it. Oh. Let's see. It's very thin, which is cool. Okay. I'm trying to do it nicely, but it doesn't working. Okay. Feels interesting. Just that top feeling right here. Interesting. Okay. And comes with a USB. Oh. It's a new one too, so it looks like it's compatible with your lightning chargers. Alright. Welcome to Remarkable Quick Start. Now I'm gonna see if my husband can help me with this. If he can show me how to put it on. And that's, oh, let's actually connect these here. See how that goes. And, ooh, that's just magnetically clips on there. Let's do this one. Oh, that's easy. I'm supposed to tear this paper. And the stylus. Okay, so that's the unboxing. You'll join me in a couple weeks and I'll let you know how it's going or what I think about the product after using it for a little bit. All right? Thank you.